Hey there, business owners, entrepreneurs, and freelancers. Nishi here with another fast and exciting social media marketing tip for you this week. Today, I want to answer the question, what is the ideal length for a blog post in order to rank high on Google or other search engines? There are varying schools of thought on this, but generally speaking, you want to hit at least 300 words for your blog post if you want to even be acknowledged by Google. In order for Google to even know that you're posting content, you need to make your blog posts at least 300 words long. But that's the bare minimum, okay? If you want to be a little bit more ambitious, and I mean a little bit more ambitious, you want to hit around 1,000 words. Now, with 1,000 words, you still want to make sure that you are providing a lot of value, okay? You want to be providing education for your target audience. You want to be entertaining. You want to be writing very clearly and concisely. So don't just try to bulk up your blog post. This isn't grade 5 where you're trying to make the word count so that your teacher doesn't get mad at you. You're trying to provide value first and foremost. So if you're trying to make the decision of, do I want to make a 300-word article that's full of really great advice, or do I want to just kind of ramble along with 1,000 words? Then you should go shorter, because people are going to be more likely to stick with your blog and read it all the way through if they're interested in it. Dwell time is very important if you want to rank on Google. So if people are just clicking on your article and they lose interest very quickly, they're just going to click away, and it doesn't matter how long your article is. Nobody read it, nobody stayed on it, so you don't rank. Now, if you really want to be ambitious, Google really loves long posts, and that means writing 2,500 to 3,000 words per post. Now, once again, value and quality is way more important than quantity. Statistically speaking, also people tend to like to read articles that are not much longer than 1,500 words. They like 1,000 words to 1,500 words. So it's a bit of a balancing act at this point. You want to provide a lot of value. You want to write the longer articles so you rank on Google, but you don't want to lose your audience, because if they just click away before reading for very long, you've basically wasted your time anyway. The other thing to consider is, as business owners, we have to watch where we put our resources, right? Our focus, our attention, our time, our money. So if you're investing a lot in creating these 2,500 to 3,000 word posts, and they have to be quality, remember, that's a very difficult thing to do, even if you're a professional blogger. If you're investing a lot of time, but you're still getting decent results, investing a whole lot less time in the 1,000 word posts, you might want to do a bit of a balancing act there and figure it's better return on your investment to post 1,000 word posts than it is to post 2,500 word posts. What is a good idea is to post the medium-sized post, 1,000 word posts, on a regular basis, and then throw in a really long post, 2,500 words, 3,000 words, once in a while to get that Google hit once in a while. And then finally, there's the question of, how often should you post? So it might be easier for you to post more often if you're posting shorter posts rather than investing all your time and resources into these longer posts. So, there's some various schools of thought, like schools of thought. You might want to post just once in a while with a 2,500 word post. I tend to lean towards the other side. I'd rather post more frequently, like once a week is a good amount of time. And just go at about 1,000 words per week, and then once in a while, like I said, go with a longer post. So I hope you found that useful. If you did, please subscribe. I put out a new video and a new blog every week. Until next week, take care.